Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 1 English. In this we will discuss circling naming words. In previous lesson class we have discussed words, naming words, to circle naming words. What are naming words? The names of people, place, animal, things are naming words. We have done with words. What are all these? Girl, happy, cat, TV, all these are words. What are these? This is a sentence. All the words put together in order to make a sentence. All the words put together in an order to make a sentence. These are words. Page number 19, you see, these all are words. In words, we will put letters in order. In words, to make a word, we will put letters in order to make a word. To make a sentence, we will put the words in order. To make a sentence. Always remember, the sentence will start with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Sentence always starts with capital letter and ends with a full stop. Is it clear, children? Understood? The sentence always starts with capital and ends with full stop. Now we will, in these sentences, we will circle the naming words. Is it clear, children? Come on, first read. Circle the naming words. Naming words means names of people, place, animal, things, birds. Everything have a name. Every people have names. So all the names we should circle in these sentences. Only names we should circle. The, Lion, lion. Is, The, King, king. Of, the, Jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. So in this sentence, what is the naming word? The, no. Lion, yes, lion is the name of the animal. So circle the naming word. So we will circle lion. Is the king of the jungle. King is also, yes, lion is known as king. King, queen are names. King, queen are also names only. So circle king. Then of the jungle, yes, jungle, forest. So forest, jungle also name, where many trees, animals, birds live. So forest, jungle is also the name. So circle jungle. Is it clear, children? How many we circled in the first sentence? 3. How many we circled? 3. The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the name, king also name, king, queen, jungle, forest also name. Next one. We live in a city. In this, what is naming word, children? Live? No, live is not a naming word. In a city, yes, city is the place. So circle city. You can see all the first letter starts with capital and ending with a full stop. A sentence always begins with capital and ends with a full stop. Second one. The, Village. Village. Is, Near. The, River. The village is what? Name of the place where people live. So circle village. Near? No, near is not the name. River? Yes, river is the name where water flows. Yes, it is also a river, ocean, sea. All these are names where we store water. Water will be stored. River is a flowing water. It will be flowing. River means flowing water. The village is near the river. The village is, where is the village? It is near the river. The children are playing. Who are playing? Children. Now see, what is children? Yes, children. You all people, what we will call you? Children. Children is also name. Boy, girl, child, children. These are also names. Are playing. Playing is what? Action word. Running, jumping, skating. All these are action words. It's not a name. Playing is not a name. Now go to next one. My cat drinks milk. My cat. Cat is what? Name of animal. Name of animal. So circle cat. Drinks is what? Action word. Drink is what? Action word. Milk. Yes. Milk is a naming word. You all drink milk in the morning. Yes, milk is the naming word. Raju goes to school every day. Raju goes to school every day. R-A-J-U. Raju is what? Name of a boy. Name of a boy. So circle Raju. Name of a boy. Goes? No, it's not a name. School? Yes. No, school is the place where we go to study. So school is also name of a place. Name of a place. So circle school. Every day? No, it's not a name. Is it clear, children? Completed first bit. You too should complete page number 19. In page number 19, G bit. Page number 19, G bit, children. Circle the naming words in the sentence. In these 6 sentences, you should circle. See the board and copy it in your textbook. See the board and copy it in your textbook. Is it clear, children? Circle these sentences. First, you try to read all the sentences. First, read each and every word, children. Then you circle the words, naming words. Now, see, next one, H bit. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with the naming words. See the picture and you should fill in the blanks with naming words. Which picture is this, children? What you can see here? First one, read. There are many animals in a. Where many animals we can see? Yes, in zoo we can see many varieties of animals, birds, reptiles, snakes, no? So, zoo is a place where we can see many animals. Go to second one. Dash lives in a rivers. So, what you can see here? Fishes, no? Many fishes, many varieties of fishes are there in river. Now, see, we study in a, which place is this? Where you go to study? School. So, what is this? School. We study in a school. Here, we play in a, where you go to play? Park. So, which place is this given here? Picture? Park. So, now we will write it in the dashes. G and H bit you should complete in your textbook, children. Today's work is yours. G and H you should complete in your textbook. See, I gave you homework. What is homework? Complete page number 19, 18, 19. This both pages, this already I have explained, page number 18. Check whether you have finished the page number 18. Now go to page number 18, 19. Complete page number 18 and 19 in textbook is your homework. Complete page number 18, 19 in textbook is your homework. Now we will write this. Fill in the blanks. There are many animals in a, where we can see many animals? Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Say zoo spelling. Z-O-O. Zoo. There are many animals in a zoo. T-H-E-R-E. There. A-R-E-R. M-A-N-Y. Many. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. I-N. In. A-Z-O-O. Zoo. There are many animals in a zoo. Now go to second one. Dash live in rivers. What we can see here? Here we can see fishes. No, many types of fishes in rivers. So we will write fishes. F-I-S-H-E-S. Fishes. Fishes lives in rivers. Fishes lives in rivers. Next one. We study in a. Where we go to study? School. We study in a. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Say school spelling. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. We play in a. Where you go to play? Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Put full stop at the end of the sentences, children. Is it clear? Complete these two in your textbook. Two papers, 18 and 19, complete in your textbook. Read once again all the sentences. The lion is the king of the jungle. The lion is the king of the jungle. We live in a city. We live in a city. The village is near the river. The village is near the river. The children are playing. The children are playing. My cat drinks milk. Fifth one, put finger where I am reading. My cat drinks milk. Raju goes to school every day. Raju goes to school every day. Now fill in the blanks. There are many animals in a zoo. There are many animals in a zoo. Fishes live in rivers. Fishes live in rivers. We study in a school. Where we study? In a school. We study in study, study. We play in a park. We play in a park. Is it clear, children? You too try to read these two sentences and complete two papers very neatly in your test book. Once you come back to school, we will check your handwriting also, children. It should be very neat. Try to write very neatly. Don't simply erase and spoil your book. Write it very neatly in your test book. Complete these two papers. Today's work is you should complete these two papers in a good and neat handwriting. Then you should try to read each and every word, each and every sentence in your test book. Thank you, children.